Excuse me.
Good evening, and Mr. Smith are not here, so I'll ask Ms. Young, she's a supervisor.
Hey, how
for
y'all
city.
doing? How are you?
Ms. Good evening's place.
Good to meet you.
How can I help you?
Well, an issue of three things. One is in the discovery that we did receive from Sampson, which was sparse. It was ordered by the judge. But it says that Cumberland County DSS filed a petition, the petition, against me. But I don't see that anywhere. I need to
What are you talking about? You don't see what clearly? I'm not sure I understand what you're asking me.
In the discovery of all of the notes from Sampson County, it says that Cumberland County DSS filed a petition against me on.
Sampson County DSS filed the petition.
So
Mr. Davis, that's the only one that I'm aware
that's
of.
the only one I'm aware of, and like I had told you before, there was something funny there, but all night they kept saying that you guys were filing it. So that would be erroneous information in their own notes, correct?
All I can respond to is that we did not file any petition. Sampson County filed the petition, the only one that I'm aware of.
Okay, and that's the only one that I know of, but I wanted to make sure. The second issue was that they did a second, some sort of case study or case.
And Mr. Davis, I'm not going to be able to respond to what Sampson County did or did not do.
No, you would be able to respond to this one. But it said in it that Cumberland County would be going out to visit Cheyenne once per month.
I'm not aware of that, so it would be their responsibility
They,
after the assessment was completed to do that.
Because they wrote that, because Cheyenne lives in Cumberland County, or did from June 18th until last Thursday. And they put that Cumberland County DSS would be.
I'm not aware of that, Mr. Davis.
So they never made you aware of any of that?
Not me personally, but now they could have said something to Mr. Smith, and I don't know what they did or did not say to him.
Okay.
They did not give that information to me.
Okay. So it would be a problem though if you were supposed to go there once a month and nobody's been there in 70 days, right?
I don't know who's been there and who hasn't, Mr. Davis.
Right, but if they hadn't.
Again, that's something you're going to have to ask Sampson County.
Okay. And the other issue is Cheyenne school records. Is there any reason why I'm not allowed to get them? Because she goes to Cape Fear now.
I have no idea. Again, that's something you're going to have to ask Sampson County.
About a child living in Cumberland County going to Cumberland County School, I'd have to ask Sampson County.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because we don't have anything to do with Cheyenne as far as her schooling is concerned. So if there's something in place that indicates that you cannot receive that information,
There isn't.
that must have come from Sampson County, so you would need to address that with them.
Okay. I just wanted to make 100% sure of that.
Yeah.
Now, the status of your case then with anything is what?
We don't have a case any longer, Mr. Davis. When we completed our assessment, our involvement ended.
Okay, and you did the case plan or the case decision April 29th.
Yes.
Okay, is there anything that hasn't been completed on that?
I don't know what Sampson County is responsible for the out-of-home family services agreement and the activities you would have to complete in regards to the out-of-home family services agreement. That's not our responsibility.
Okay, then the final issue would be discovery, in which a judge ordered that it all be there. Mr. Smith's notes seem to be erroneous, and the reason why is they're numbered at the bottom. Page 36 just abruptly stops in the middle of an interview with a Sampson County DSS employee, the one that was adjudicated as an abuser prior. Her name is Brenda Harris. It just stops in mid-sentence and goes to page 37 with a whole new person. So that would be a problem in that. If they're in order, how does it go to a new page?
I can't answer that question, Mr. Davis. That would be something I would have to ask Mr. Smith, and he's not here right now. Pardon me?
Could you do that? Because he doesn't seem to.
Well, actually, that that truthfully is something your attorney would need to address.
Well, we did, we filed a motion for it.
Okay, well then,
For
you
discovery.
would get the answer to that in court if you filed a motion in
No, we
regards
did
to that.
before court, that's the thing, it's called
Well,
discovery.
That's what your attorney needs to get.
Well, he did try, but it seems to be a holdup out here.
Okay,
Do I
well,
need a federal judge to issue you a subpoena? Because that's very easy to do.
yeah,
You're
that's
saying
up to you, Mr. Davis.
You can't release the record
No,
of the
sir.
finished one, and you can't send it to my attorney. My attorney will have to do something.
Your attorney has to request it through our legal department, and our legal department prepares and sends those records once they have received subpoenas for them.
Yeah, well, they don't need a subpoena, they need a judge's order, and they have a judge's order for discovery. Otherwise, I can't represent myself correctly. You follow that, right?
I hear what you're saying.
Okay. So a judge's order's not good enough?
Mr. Davis, I can't respond to what our legal department did or did not send.
Who is your
If
legal-
a
who's your legal
request
department?
came from the court in Sampson County to our legal department, they process the request for records and prepare those records and send them to the person that has the authority to have them. That's all I know. I don't know what they did or did not send. I don't know whether
Who
they
would
did
be
or
your
did not get a
legal
request.
department? Who would be the person I need to talk to in your legal department?
Our managing attorney is Bobby Redding.
Bobby Redding?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And that's the DSS attorney for Cumberland County?
That's the managing attorney for Cumberland County Department of Social Services.
Okay. All right. Other than that, I don't think we have anything else.
Okay?
Thank you for your time.
You're certainly welcome.